And it's all set for match number 7. The Hyderabad Strikers up against the Gujarat Panthers. For the Panthers, look at that squad. Karman Kaur Thandi, Sumit Nagal and Mukund Sasikumar. India's number 1 and number 2 men's players and Karman Kaur Thandi. For Hyderabad, Ellen Perez from Australia, Nikki Punacha, Ellen and Sakid Maineni, and Punacha and Sakid in the men's doubles. 4 games of 20 points apiece.
It's time for Ellen to go up against Karman. Karman, of course, the player of the match last evening. That's what a good first serve can do. Quick point in a very quick format. 20 points is all we have here. Some baseline aggression there. And for all of you watching at home, if you want to stand a chance to be part of all the excitement here amidst the crowd, watch it live from the stadium, just download the TPL app, scan the QR code, register yourself and get a season pass to watch some of the biggest Bollywood stars and some of India's finest tennis players live in action in front of you. The depth on that return, that is what does it for Ellen.
It's a good match this for Karman Kaur Thandi as well. The Indian trio yesterday dominated in yellow for Gujarat.
We've seen some of the finest battles in the world of tennis when a lefty takes on a righty. And this time, the right-handed Karman Kaur Thandi finding it difficult because the angle on that serve, the slice that Ellen Perez is managing to create, forcing Karman to step outside of the court.
Oh, will she review that? So close, so close from Ellen Perez. Off to an early lead in this women's singles. Then goes wide, an ace off the second serve. That is tremendous grit from Ellen Perez. Absolutely throws Karman Kaur Thandi off guard. And just caught unaware, and look at that, the big fist pump. She loves it.
2 points behind this time. On the body, she goes, and it was the versatility on that serve showing from Karman. Mixing it up so well. Intelligent. 15 points done, 5 to go. Just one separating them. The serving has been top class from both of them.
9-7 Hyderabad.
Saki bomb, as they call him, Sakid Maineni there, loving it. He knows how to deliver some bombs with his serve. He's happy to see that from Ellen Perez. One more.
7 Hyderabad.
Sure precision on her serves. Suresh Krishna, the mentor, happy with that performance.
Yeah, that ball is not going anywhere.
11-7
But
Hyderabad.
to a winner, to Ellen Perez, and with that, she takes the women's singles. 11-7 she leads. Only a couple of points left, but that forehand.
This is good.
13-7 Hyderabad.
A convincing win. 13-7 for Ellen Perez. The Australian gives the
13-7.
Strikers
Well
a
done.
solid start here in this third match on day 2. They might check that, but both Ellen and Carmen seem to have mutually agreed to have offered that to the strikers, who have raced ahead. Lots to do now for Sumit Nagal, who comes up against Nikki Punacha shortly. A confirmation, Ellen with a 13-7 win over Carmen Kaur Thandi, who was the player of the match last evening.
चल आ जा मैदान में चल आ जा मैदान में
Welcome back to the Tennis Premier League 2023, powered by Clear. We're all set for match 7, game 2, after the first women's singles, which was taken by Ellen Perez over Carmen Kaur Thandi. It's time to watch India's number 1, Sumit Nagal, up against Nikki Punacha. Just outside the top 100. He would love to change that. A best of 122, currently 169. And up against him, Nikki Punacha. Didn't have the best outing yesterday, and he would love to turn that around up against his fellow countryman, Sumit Nagal. Older, more experienced, but you would like to believe that Sumit Nagal is the favourite coming into this. Having said that though, we've already seen a great start for the strikers in the women's singles.
Play.
What a start.
1-0.
Beautiful ace down the tee.
Hyderabad.
A statement with that serve. The serving on this charcoal grey, fast-paced tennis court.
Ball.
So close. He's looking for the ones down the middle. Again, the second serve to the backhand of Sumit Nagal. He knows how much of a threat that forehand is.
Hyderabad.
The game plan is clear from Nikki Punacha. Go after that Sumit Nagal backhand.
He's off to a great start here, Nikki Punacha.
Out.
Just as we say that though, that is a wayward swipe.
Hyderabad.
The serve and volley from Nikki Punacha. Too good, too good.
5-3.
Nikki
Hyderabad.
on fire at the moment. Take a look at that volley. Follows it up with another one on the cross court. 8 points the lead in the overall scores. That is something from Nikki Punacha.
Hyderabad.
Never easy to keep hitting those down the middle. The consistency is standing out from Nikki Punacha. And this is India's number 1 against him. The toughest opponent he could have asked for.
Correction. The ball.
A
was good.
highlight reel of serves from him.
Well inside the line.
Well inside
The
the
ball
line,
was good.
says the chair umpire, Mr. Anton D'Souza.
The lineup of
Sumit
ball.
is not happy. Will he review it?
Oh, Nikki Punacha. Close it out. There you go. Nikki Punacha cannot lose
Hyderabad.
this men's singles versus Sumit Nagal. To me, this is the best display we have seen, and arguably the upset of the TPL in season 5. What a Herculean effort this is.
Wait, please.
Sumit Nagal left scratching his head at the moment.
Better from India's number 1.
10-5.
The crowd cheering
Hyderabad.
him on. They know what a champion he is. He's not going to go down without a fight.
And
Just
there you go.
take a bow, Nikki Punacha.
11-5
Nothing can stop this man today.
Hyderabad.
has to be the performance of this season so far.
On serve, he has been prolific. He's hit the lines, he's gone for broke, and he's got the win over India's number one,
Pause.
Sumit Nagal. This is the biggest upset of the TPL in season 5. What a night for Nicky Punacha, what a night for Hyderabad so far. And it gets even better.
12,
Another race.
5.
This time goes
Hyderabad.
wide to the forehand court. Nicky Punacha, you superstar. And again a good serve from Nicky Punacha. This one has been sprayed wide, but he's got the job done. The upset of the tournament is complete. Nicky Punacha and the Hyderabad strikers have put one past Sumit Nagal, India's number one, and the TPL is well and truly alive. From being down and out yesterday, the Hyderabad strikers have struck back.
A confirmation. What a start. What a day for the strikers. Turning it around, and how the Bengal Wizards dominated over them. But now it's one-sided traffic from the Hyderabad side. Up next, it's the mixed doubles. Ellen with Saket up against Karman and Sasi Kumar in a do-or-die for the Panthers. After having struggled yesterday, the strikers strike hard today. 2 wins in 2 games, looking for the third, as Ellen and Saket will be in action in this mixed doubles contest. Karman, the star last evening, the player of the match, couldn't win her opening singles game, has Sasi Kumar, India's number 2, alongside her. Saki Bomb, they call him because of that big serve. He has the serve to start this, to kick off this third game of match 3. And he does that with a good first serve.
Hyderabad.
Mukund Sasikumar, India's number 2. Karman Kaur alongside him. But up against them, Saket Mainini, arguably the best doubles player on court. Yesterday had a disastrous start to his TPL campaign.
What a rally! Has to be one of the best doubles rallies we've seen so far.
4-2.
Covering
Hyderabad.
every corner of this charcoal grey tennis court, all 4 of them. This was beautiful. Making it look easy, Ellen Perez. One of the toughest shots to execute, running back, keeping the ball in play. Intelligent from Ellen.
Pause.
So far, so good for the strikers even here. It's been some showing from them.
Pause.
And I'm absolutely loving what we've witnessed so far
5-2.
from this setup.
Hyderabad.
Wow.
6-4.
Just what Mukund needed.
Hyderabad.
That's better. That's the support we've seen from Ellen Perez. Saki lost the previous point. In comes Ellen Perez with this serve. Brings them right back in this. That's what you want to see in a mixed doubles contest. Backing your partner, supporting each other. Visible yesterday, continues today. They have the 1-point lead. 7 points to go in this game. Total of 20 points to be played. The opening 2 games have gone to the strikers, to Hyderabad. Gujarat Panthers haven't won a game yet. Karman and Sasi Kumar looking for a first game win here. Double fault.
Out.
That'll help.
9-7
Good
Hyderabad.
serves needed. They match the total that they had from yesterday. Things are looking much more healthy for the Hyderabad squad today.
Out.
This is good.
10-7
Only gets better for the
Hyderabad.
strikers. They're not going to lose this now. The best case scenario for the Panthers is a tie, which looks unlikely.
Great serving from Mukund. He's trying to
It's 10-9.
level things up. 1 point left in this mixed doubles. 10-9 Hyderabad lead. So at least some respite if they can draw level terms and close this out.
We've seen a bunch of 11 nines this season. Are we going to see one more?
4.
Had a look.
We've seen a few 10-alls too. I wonder if that's what we're going to get.
The season began with a 10-all. It's going to be 11-9 and Ellen and Saket will love this. The strikers continue to strike here. 3 straight wins. After having a difficult day yesterday. It's joy today for everyone in Hyderabad.
And we only have the men's doubles to come. So far, a clean sweep for the men and women in blue. 11-9, the win in the mixed doubles. It now means 36-24 is the overall score. We'll come right back for the men's doubles.
चल आजा मैदान में चल आजा मैदान में
Nikki Punacha, after a stellar win in the men's singles, joins Saket Maineni to take on Sumit Nagal and Mukund Sasikumar, India's number 1 and number 2. But India's number 1 has already been dispatched by Nikki Punacha in the singles. Saket's got a win in the mixed doubles, so they come in brimming with confidence. This is game 4 of match 7. Saket to serve. 20 points to go in this encounter. Starts with a Saki bomb. There you go. 1-0.
That's better. We'll need a lot more of those. Needs to support Sumit Nagal. He's had a very tough loss in his singles. What we believe has been the biggest upset of the season so far against Nikki Punacha.
2-1.
Two
Gujarat.
serves doing the trick here for Mukund Sasikumar. Set up so beautifully with that serve down the middle. How many of those we've seen today from Nikki Punacha? He just thrives on that. And to whom? To Sumit Nagal once again on his backhand. He's just relishing earning those points on Sumit's backhand. Once again to his backhand. But this time, India's number 1 was ready.
Gujarat.
The game plan is straightforward from Nikki Punacha. He just couldn't read that one too well. Assumed Saket would have gone for it. This time Nikki Punacha pounces in
4-3.
and
Gujarat.
sends that one right down the middle. Smart play. Could have easily left this for Saket. Again, just the confusion. Mine, yours, not too sure. And as a result, They both couldn't go after it. Sumit misses it, Mukund misses it, and they're happy. Nicky Punacha says thank you very much.
Oh, Nicky Punacha. Tricky Nicky is sticky tonight, and we're loving it.
This is Nicky's night. Nothing can stop him. 8-6 now, 44-30, 14 points. One of the most dominating performances this season from the strikers.
And
Takes one back.
Hyderabad.
Just too good of the return from Mukund Sasikumar. And they level terms at 8 apiece. Still trailing by 12 overall at 32-44. But what a return that is from Mukund. There you go.
9-8
That's the serve they needed.
Hyderabad.
And it's 9-8 to the strikers. It's 45-32. If they can get 2 more points here, the strikers, that'll be the biggest margin of victory in season 5. They lost by the biggest margin yesterday. Can they win and better that tonight? Not yet. 9 apiece.
9-all.
2 points to come.
Will want to at least get to 46 today. Mukund and Sumit are not going to make it easy.
9 Gujarat.
They're 1 point away from winning this and not allowing Hyderabad to get 4 straight wins under the belt.
Well, they can't now. All they can do is level terms in this men's doubles. But if they do, they'll get to that 46-point mark. Where's that serve, Nicky? There it is. Nicky Punacha delivers the serve. And after losing 34-46 yesterday, guess what? Hyderabad have got one back and they win 46-34 tonight. That is a stellar, stellar showing from Ellen Perez, Nicky Punacha and Sakit Maineni. They've delivered exactly what the team needed.
The player that stood out has to be Nicky Punacha. What an outing he's having here in Pune. Takes out India's #1 in that all-important second game on your screen. 12-8, that is where it all turned. And what a performance from a team that lost by the exact same scoreline against the Bengal Wizards. 34-46 it was for the strikers.